All right, follow along as I do our dictation for today. We're going to spell some words with magic E. All right. Our first word today is bite. B-I-T, bite. B-I-T, bite. Make sure, because we hear a long I in this word, that we put our magic E at the end. Otherwise, we would have the word bit. So this is the word bite. Number 2 is fine. Fine. F-I-N. Fine. F-I-N. Fine. Number 3. Look, we have a blend at the beginning. The word is globe. Gl-O-B. Globe. Gl-O-B. Globe. Number 4. Look, we're going to have a Q-U at the beginning. We see that heart. The word is quote. 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 Number 5. Rope. R-O-P. Rope. R-O-P. Rope. Okay, and then in number 6, we have a 3-letter blend at the beginning of this word. The word is stroke. 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 Okay, let's read through the words that we wrote today. Bite, fine, globe, quote, rope, stroke.